Welcome to Fun with Annuities. I'm your host, Stan, the Annuity Man, America's annuity agent, licensed in all 50 states and Puerto Rico, the founder of Contractual Guarantees Only, which means you own an annuity for what it will do, not what it might do. Today's topic's a fun one. I came up with it, of course. It's, are you surfing beside a stock market cruise ship? Envision the cruise ship. You've been on the cruise ship, creates the waves to the side. You know, look at the timing of this this wonderful Fun with Annuities podcast, and we're at all-time stock market highs. And regardless, if you're watching this years down the road, markets go up and down, and people have creative memories. They're like, well, you know, it's still going up. We're in a market currently where you just throw a dart at it. This is going up. Artificial intelligence is blowing the market up, and it seems to be working, and I'm crossing my fingers that it does work. I have been through actual market declines, 87, 2008, and hopefully there's not another one, but it kind of feels eerily similar to the whole dot-com era and that the whole bubble that we went through. Just this artificial intelligence, eventually, my opinion, and having worked for Dean Witter, Morgan Stanley, Payne Weber, UBS, I've been on that side of the table, and it just feels a little shaky right now. Not to mention the geopolitics at the time of this taping. Surfing beside a cruise ship is what it feels like if you're in the markets. And I always say, well, you know, you can certainly catch a wave if you're surfing beside a cruise ship, but eventually you're going to get sucked under the boat. And I feel like a lot of people have creative memory from the last kind of downturn market. And I remember I was here. And people, I'm never going to do that again, Stan. I mean, this one left a mark. This one left a scar. I'm never going to let that happen again. Now, I mean, everybody's all in and rolling the dice overhand with a running start. But I want you to think about annuities and sequence of return risk. Not to go down that rabbit hole, but in essence, what annuities can do is smooth out that volatility by putting in place guarantees, whether those guarantees are for principal protection or those guarantees are for lifetime income. I'm the best friend that Wall Street ever. They don't know I'm their best friend. They think I'm the evil Stan the Annuity Man because I take money out of all their brokerage accounts and things like that, mutual funds, and put them in annuities. But if Wall Street was smart, they would hire me as their key consultant to put in the income floors and put in principal protection products so that people would invest their money properly. And when I mean properly, meaning that when markets are volatile, they don't panic and sell. They ride it out because they have the guarantees in place. Annuities are the best thing that could ever happen for you. Ever, ever, ever. If you use them the right way. Now, if you buy them for growth, you're a fool. Okay? Annuities, never buy them for market growth. Go buy the market. If someone shows you something and says, this is a great annuity, you can get market upside, you protect the principal, you get market upside, and you buffer some of the downside, the only question you ask them is, does it have surrender charges? Or are you charging me this ongoing fee, or both? And if the answer is yes to any of that, move on. Stock market growth has no surrender charges. We clear? Annuities solve for four things: principal protection, income for life, legacy, and long-term care. That acronym is PILL. To determine if you even need an annuity and what annuity would provide the highest contractual guarantee, ask two questions. What do you want the money to contractually do, and when do you want those contractual guarantees to start? It's that simple. You do not buy hypothetical. You do not buy theoretical. You do not buy projected. You do not buy back-tested. You do not buy for upfront bonuses. If it sounds too good to be true, it is every single time without exception. Are we clear? For whatever reason, this industry the annuity industry, ignores the monopoly that they have. And that monopoly is lifetime income. And you're saying, yeah, there's no other product that does that. You're right. But what does the annuity industry do? They really just kind of ignore that part. Oh, we're all about growth. We're all about potential. We have all these packaged products, these high commission products for potential and maybe some upside. The dumbest marketing decisions of all time. Business schools, Harvard Business, Stanford Business, Michigan Business Schools, they're going to study the complete and absolute stupidity of that decision. That greed-only decision. Well, middle America wants guarantees, but let's just kind of show them some potential as well. No, they want guarantees. How can you have a monopoly on lifetime income? No other product can do it. Don't say 30-year bond, I'll blow you up. What if you live 35 years? Lifetime income. As long as you're breathing and or on a respirator, you're going to get paid. Annuities, there's 4 types of annuities that provide that lifetime income guarantee. Annuities is the only product that can do that. And with life expectancy tables getting ready to change, meaning that artificial intelligence is going to shorten the medical breakthrough time periods, which means we're going to live longer, I'm the only one talking about lifetime income. I don't get it. You already own the best Social Security is the best pension annuity on the planet. I don't own an annuity. It's Social Security. Well, I don't own an annuity. It's a pension. So the stock market's fine. Go get growth. Go do it. Knock yourself out. Be Johnny Trader or Joanna Trader. Go for it. Market growth, great, but put the guarantees in place. You're surfing beside a cruise ship. Put the guarantees in place. You're surfing beside a cruise ship. Don't get sucked under the boat. Don't allow some advisor to say, well, you don't need an annuity guarantee. We'll just take the profits off the top, and that'll be your income stream, and we'll just keep everything in the markets. Bull market much? Do not confuse a bull market with genius. Anybody, a trout fish, if trout had arms, they could throw darts at this market and make money. Even Jim Cramer is making money. No offense, Jim. But you know what I'm saying. This is easy. Be proactive. Put the guarantees in place. At a minimum, put your income floor in place. Stan, what's an income floor? Good question. An income floor is the guarantee amount of money that hits your bank account every single month that's not correlated. What's non-correlated, Stan? It has nothing to do with the stock market. What's your income floor? What is that? Put your income floor in place with a little fluff for your spouse that's put up with you. Put that income floor in place and then go to the markets and invest. And never buy annuities for growth, market growth. Growth can be MIGA type growth, CD type growth, but market growth? No. I tell the story all the time. When I left, my last stop in Wall Street was UBS, and I came out to the annuity industry. Long story on why, but I did my research. Here I am, top agent in the country, dominant. I still, to this day, cannot believe the crap growth stories that are out there at the seminar, on the seminar series, or now on the internet where guys go, well, this index annuity, this RILE, or this variable. I'm like, what? What are you talking about? Good friend of mine, and I'll close with this story. A good friend of mine's been in the business for 40 years. One of the top brains in the annuity industry, in my opinion, and that's saying a lot. And I said, please show me some index annuities that actually worked. And he gave me one, and it was attached to NASDAQ or somewhere. I said, but what was the NASDAQ return? And he said, well, it was, 30, 40% that year. I said, what was the index annuity return? It was single digits. I said, that's not success. Come on, man. Be careful in these markets. Be careful in markets in general. The older you get, the less time you have to make up for market downturns. Can I get an annuity amen on that one? Put the guarantees in place. Put them in place, whether it's principal protection or whether it's lifetime income to cover that income floor. But do that and go surf beside the cruise ship. Doesn't matter. It'll all work out. My name is Stan the Annuity Man. That's fun with annuities. We had some fun. See you next time.